Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to withdraw Lazada Pay Later, and this video will see how to withdraw. So guys, go to the app and log in into your account, and you will see a different product as you can see here on home page. And go to the account tab and the bottom, select my option Lazada wallet and select section, choose the activate button on the top to activate. It will be open the security verification page and verify your identity at your mobile phone number along with SMS code, and this is how you can withdraw. Guys, thanks for watching this video. Guys, I hope this video helpful for you, and make sure like and share, subscribe to my channel, and get notified of new video. So yeah, this is how you can do, guys. See you on another video soon. Any question down below, guys, in the comment here.